We're here today in Milan on our way to the Rollon headquarters to present our brand new Chaise Longue Elevated Class concept to see if they can provide us with some bespoke mechanisms that make our idea become a reality. Hello guys, how are you? I think I have a new crazy idea and I need some help. So can we sit down and have a look at it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
So after the success we had last year with the economy class, we really need your help this year for a new challenge, which is the elevated class. And it's going to be a business class on 2 levels.
And we want to create a mechanism that allows the seat to convert into a bed. With this seat we could get up to 2 meters and 10 centimeters, so even a basketball player could go up there. Also, for this upper row, what we want is to have a tray table that comes from hidden to fully deployed. It has to stay at any point. And on the lower row, the tray table starting position is hidden inside the module, and then it rotates 90 degrees. Which mechanism should we use for the upper and lower row tray tables?
For the lower row, where you have to rotate, we can propose the Curvilight product.
Oh, wow, it's super light.
For the upper row, something like that. It's a compact rail.
Oh wow, yeah. It actually doesn't feel like metal at all.
And it keeps all the load that you need for the tray table. Whenever you want to stop it, it stays in position.
Does it have some bearings inside, some ball bearings?
It's secret. No, it's
The main challenge we found when we started working on this application was to combine 2 different kinds of motion, because the tray table first needed to move linear in a forward direction in order to come out from the console, and then it needs to rotate around the pivotal point to reach its final position.
For the upper rotary table, we designed a product that matches functionality and lightweight features. We have to match smooth movement and some retained force. This is achieved with a friction device to maintain the friction to keep the tray table in every desired position. All the products are assembled here in Italy and delivered as per specification, ready to be installed.
Leandro put some interesting challenges on the table, so we were called to comply with the requirements for the fast prototyping and for the customization. That's why we engage our technical department and our space engineers to make sure that the job will have been done correctly.
We returned to Madrid and a few weeks later received our custom-made roll-on mechanisms. We have the final mechanism here, and now we're trying it out where it will go. We attached them to the elevated class prototype. Look how smooth the Curvilight is. It just works amazing. It was incredible seeing our design come to life. The mechanisms completely matched our vision. Thanks to these linear mechanisms, we can now interact and fully experience the elevated class. What once was a dream, today is a reality. Grazie mille to the whole Rollon team for their amazing work and continued support.